What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach, and I'm out here with Tim from Samsung, and today we're going to talk about a speaker that's coming out of a picture frame. Is that what I'm understanding?
You're describing it pretty well. Frame. We're not the concept of the frame TV, but we got to make a speaker that matches it perfectly well, and that's what we decided to do.
So we're apparently going to check out a speaker coming out of this picture frame. Let's go! Welcome back, Dreamedia family. So Tim is going to walk you through how in the world there is a speaker inside of this picture frame and give you a solution. I mean, it's a problem solver. How many of you guys are trying to get that wife acceptance factor is what we call it here at Dreamedia. My wife needs to approve it, right? If it's going in the formal or any room where it's not the garage.
You're exactly correct.
So tell me more, Tim.
So the music frame, right? We know the frame for TV when it's on or when it's off. Solving the problem of what does my TV look like when I turn it off?
Yeah.
I don't want a big ugly black rectangle. I want to showcase some art. The problem is we never had sound that could really go along with it and also disappear in the environment. So the music frame is exactly that. It's not only a speaker that can match perfectly with the frame, but it's a great personal music device as well. It supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirPlay 2, Alexa, Chromecast.
Okay.
There's really not a way that you can't feed audio to this device.
Amazing. So it's like a Sonos speaker.
Yeah,
pretty much.
It is multi-room compatible. Now that you mentioned
with
that
AirPlay
brand
too?
as well. So with AirPlay 2 and through Samsung SmartThings, you can actually link 5 music frames together through Samsung SmartThings. You can link 10 music frames together through AirPlay 2. So we can talk about whole home audio with a design-focused option. Now, when I say design-focused, I don't want you to think that this isn't a powerful speaker. Samsung has the Audio Lab in Valencia, California, where we go to work making premium audio products.
Tell me more.
This has some patented audio technology utilizing 2 tweeters, 2 mid-range speakers, and 2 5-inch woofers that all fire through the front of the speaker through a tiny 9mm gap that goes around your photo frame.
Oh.
So you get that full, powerful sound, that deep bass, the clean mids, and the clean highs, and it even can pair up with your TV using Samsung's Q Symphony. So you can use 2 of them in a direct compatibility with your TV to enhance the front left, the front right. You can even pair them up as rear speakers.
That was going to be my next question.
Rear left and rear right.
Yeah, so I have 3 questions. Can it be paired together with the soundbar?
Yes.
You just answered that.
Yes.
What are the power requirements? And then my third question is, can you put different pictures in it?
Yes, so I'll address them in order.
Okay.
First, you certainly can pair it up with our soundbar. You can pair 1 additional music frame if you are connecting it with a Samsung soundbar system, and it will default as a rear speaker for that soundbar. It's a really cool implementation. Now you can also change the way that the frame looks by swapping out the photo inside. So what we're actually looking at on the music frame itself is not a digital screen. It's simply a photo frame that you pull off the front, giving you an 8-inch by 8-inch opening to slide in your own photos or your own memories, just like you would with a picture on a bookshelf.
Amazing.
You change the design, you pop it back in, and you're good to go. Now, just like the frame, the default option for it has a black bezel around it. We are offering white accessories to change the look to maybe match the frame bezel that you have or the decor in your room. So again, a very customizable speaker.
I love it. So power requirements.
Power requirements, I skipped over that one. It does utilize a very similar connection to the frame's invisible cable. So it's a thin fiber optic connection that runs down to a little transformer box and plugs into a standard outlet.
So these can run through your wall and meet your local code because the high voltage cable is external.
We do actually offer an in-wall rated cable. We still do not recommend dropping that thin fiber optic cable through the wall. If you do want to go in the wall, we do offer the additional accessory.
Perfect.
For those options.
How long is that cable? Do you know?
I don't know off the top of my head.
We'll get that information.
Make sure it's in the description for you.
Cool. I just want to address all the questions because I'm sure a lot of people are intrigued, but are wondering, like, how does it actually get put in, right? So we still need to get high voltage power to it somehow, but we have a low voltage cable that can run through the wall physically. Now, I'm seeing a couple little super tiny micro subs on the ground. So am I correct to assume we can actually run a 5.1?
So we're getting a little bit ahead of ourselves with that one.
Okay.
These tiny subs that we're looking
Okay.
at are actually designed to pair up with our ultra slim soundbars that are also right behind us. These soundbars are only 1.5 inches in height by 1.5 inches in depth. So naturally they got to come with a nice compact subwoofer solution. So whether you are looking for a speaker that can blend into the environment for personal music listening or TV audio, the music frame might be for you. But if you really want to crank up that surround sound system with true Dolby Atmos, that ultra slim soundbar lineup is a great option with that compact wireless subwoofer as well.
But I'm understanding you correctly that the soundbar can be paired with 2 frames and a subwoofer.
Not with the subwoofer, that's the one exception there. So it can pair directly with the frame TV, but the subwoofer cannot be added into that mix unless you already have the soundbar as well. So let me back up. So with the music frame, you can pair 2 music frames directly to the frame TV.
Oh, not with the soundbar.
Not with the soundbar.
Oh, okay.
If you have the soundbar connected already, only 1 additional music frame will be compatible, and it acts as the
Just to kind of improve your dialogue,
You got it.
but
Yep.
not surround sound.
You got it. Yeah.
Okay. Well, maybe that'll be a later iteration.
Never say never at Samsung. We're an innovation company. We love to make changes based on y'all's feedback.
Awesome. Well, hey, Tim, I really appreciate you giving us the rundown on these art frame speakers. I really think this is going to be a great problem solver. I can see this being used for whole house audio in like weird areas where you can't really put a Sonos speaker on the wall, or maybe you can't get wiring into place for a couple in-ceiling speakers.
Yep.
You can slap this in a bathroom even.
Anywhere
Like,
you want.
imagine the type of applications that this could be installed in, or a family. I could even imagine it going up like a staircase. Is like, you know, put your family artwork in
Hey,
there.
that's a clever one.
But then also it's whole house audio.
That's clever.
So I'm really excited to see where we can put these in y'all's homes. We really appreciate everybody's support, and I'm thankful, Tim, for you giving us the rundown on this amazing product. You guys are just killing it out here at Samsung, and we're going to continue to cover more exciting products from Samsung in upcoming episodes. If you like this video, be sure to give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Until next time, this is Zach at Dreamedia out here with Tim from Samsung. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.